Heaven and earth combined results in internal force, but it begins with the earth. That's what this ancient mural is revealing. And this is where rooting comes in. Watch closely. Through rooting, I'm able to transform my training partner's pressure. Yin becomes yang, yang becomes yin. Notice my feet. I'm moving and not relying on structure like before, because rooting is about balance. Balancing the mind, the body, and the spirit. So pressure never overwhelms you. It gets absorbed, redirected, and returned. Forward or back, left or right, up or down, all 6 directions, the balance stays the same. That consistency is the key. My Shifu, Dr. Stefan, would say, keep the mind in one. Because the moment harmony breaks, defeat appears. And when harmony is preserved, victory remains. This doesn't just apply to fighting. In daily life, this same skill helps you manage daily stress and will improve your quality of health. This ancient biohacking of rooting begins with one thing: release. You release the hard mind by sinking the chest, letting go, while at the same time the upper back gently rounds and lifts. That release allows something else to happen. Energy rises from the ground up through the body. What actually roots the mind is intent. Intent guides the mind downward, allows energy to flow upward, and internal force naturally follows that path. This balance is what creates Jin, internal force. It travels from the feet, up the legs, guided by the waist, and finally is expressed through the fingertips. No force, no strain, just alignment and release. Stefan Duvivier, known as A-Duvi on Instagram, he is one of my clients. He's a top movement coach, and the principles you're seeing for free in this video, this is the work I consult my clients who are 6-figure plus earners, such as fighters or high performers looking for that extra edge. Stefan posted this video after 100 days of consistent practice, combining the video tutorials with one-on-one guidance.
20 minutes of this does what 2 hours of stretching could never. It's called standing meditation, and after 100 days, here's what it taught me about how tension is wrecking high performers. After about 3 weeks of daily practice, things really started shifting for me. I was able to play ball multiple times a week without that nagging pinch in the front of my hip. My movement got smoother, but I also got stronger. Dunks started looking more effortless than ever. And the wildest part is that life itself just felt more easeful, less grinding, and more flow. These are the kinds of results people drop thousands on peptides and stem cells for. Free. So what even is standing meditation? It's an ancient practice that warriors use to build internal power that you will never get from weights, and most people have never heard of it. You stand in a specific posture, breathe, and just let your body reorganize itself. What I realized is that ambitious, driven people hold tension 24/7 and don't even realize it. Your nervous system learns that tension equals control. So when work gets stressful, you grip harder and it never turns off. Standing meditation taught my body how to let go. You can keep spending thousands trying to fix your body from the outside, or you can learn to regulate it yourself and unlock what's already there. I like to combine standing meditation with precise training. Meditation teaches your nervous system to let go.
You will find the link to the tutorials in the description and the pinned comment. There's also the option for one-on-one work with me, but that's only for those who are serious about training. And if you want to understand how this actually works, watch the video titled How to Actually Build Internal Power, the missing link. That's where everything starts to click.